Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Golf Match 1.5 litre TSI EVO 130 PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a deep light pearl finish. The car's here, cleaned, ready to go. It looks absolutely remarkable and has just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. You get access to the 16-inch Woodstock black diamond turned alloy wheels, which complement that exterior finish well, power folding wing mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, and a fairly spacious boot size. You can actually fit a pram inside there once taking advantage of that lowest boot space directly below. The ISO fixed points in the back can be used for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and a sustainable amount of legroom in the back there for rear passengers' comfort. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the dashboard display, but we'll touch on this a little bit later. And you can see the Titan black interior upholstery, which works hand in hand to create a really stylish driving experience for you and your passengers to enjoy. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to maneuver around. As you can see here, we can show features like our driving data, assist functionalities, and even our telephone and audio. To the left hand side, we have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety, and also a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. Over to the entertainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from. And going into navigation, this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to your required destination on the best possible route. It truly will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling as you go to new locations. Into driving mode selection, we have 4 different driving modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. Lastly, the car also comes with the Park Pilot, which is your front and back parking sensors to fill yourself with confidence and safety on every manoeuvre. It does ensure that it minimises the risk of damaging the car in any way, and it's great for places like shopping centres where parking can be traditionally a bit too tight. By popping the car in reverse, these sensors will automatically display, or you can press the button when needed.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 1 year roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online.